Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great week so far. Today we're going to be talking about the documentation and information requirements in order to do an application for a mortgage. It's really important to note, guys, that this is a kind of a general idea of a lot of the stuff that we do need, but it's very, very possible that we'll have to request more documents from you or more information from you depending on your circumstance. However, this should give you a pretty good idea of what you can prepare before you actually talk to a mortgage broker. And if you show them that you have all this stuff ready, you will blow their socks off and the mortgage process will go so much smoother. So first off, a lot of mortgage brokers will have a templated application for you to fill out. This application might have things like your previous addresses or ask you to list out assets and stuff like that. It's just a better way of getting all of the information together in a simpler form so that we can get the application through a bit quicker. Next up is identification. So we're going to need copy of your driver's license. And if you don't have a driver's license, not to be concerned, we can ask you for your passport along with just your general government ID, whatever you have to provide us. When it comes to your credit cards, you will have to provide a copy of the front and back of each and every credit card that you, and if you have a co-borrower, um, their credit cards as well. Anybody who's done a mortgage application in the past should know that this is just so that we can compare the credit card information to the credit bureau report and confirm that everything is correct. And lastly, we'll need 3 years history of address for all borrowers. For employment, we're going to need a letter of employment. We're going to need your 2018 and 2019 T4s and NOAs or notice of assessments. And in the rare case or business for self case, we will ask for your personal tax returns, also known as the T1 generals. We will also need your most recent pay stub. Sometimes we like to ask for a couple just to confirm that the income has been consistent. Next up is your assets. So first off, we want a listing of all of your assets. This includes investments, vehicles. If it's a vehicle, we need year, make, and model. If you have an idea of the estimated value, that'd be great. Keep in mind that if you are currently financing the vehicle or leasing it, it is not yet an asset, especially in the leasing situation, it's just a liability. For bank accounts and investing accounts and registered accounts and stuff like that, we need 3 months worth of bank account statements, so 90 days. And as it says there, not banking history, the actual statements themselves with your name on it, your address info, account info, all that stuff. Next up is the liabilities. Of course, we're going to have to be doing a credit pull on all of the borrowers. So we're going to see anything crazy on your credit bureau report. So it's a lot better if you just tell us up front what you might have going on, maybe in the past or currently, or if you've ever missed any payments. It's great if you just let us know, and then we can make sure it's all there and we can get a backstory to potentially explain to the lender what happened. If you, the borrower, has an existing property already, or you're looking to refinance or renew or transfer a switch on a property, we're going to need your 2019 mortgage statement, the 2020 property tax statement, insurance statement, and the estimated value of your property. For a purchase, we're going to need the MLS listing if it is on the MLS. If it's not on the MLS, we'll need as much details as possible about the property, and we will also need the signed purchase and sale agreement. Last but definitely not least, we need the contact information for your realtor and your real estate lawyer. For the realtor, we actually work directly with them most of the time, and we like to keep each other updated on how things are going and how the process is moving along. If you have your own realtor already, that's great. Just send that contact info over. If you don't, we'd be happy to provide you with a few referrals to some different realtors if you're interested in that. The same thing goes for a real estate lawyer. They're very important, especially in the finishing up of the end of the process. And so we like to be able to tell the lender exactly who that is. So if they have anything to send them, they can get in contact with each other and cooperate. I want to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all of the support. If you thought this video brought you any value, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And as well as that, you can follow me on social media at Melanson Mortgages. I'm posting a lot of stuff on there that I don't post as videos, and so if you go check that out, then I'm sure you can find something to enjoy. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a great week.